Most people use Claude to write emails, maybe rewrite a paragraph. That's like buying a Ferrari and never leaving the driveway. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you 15 automations you can build this weekend with zero code, zero technical experience. 5 take 5 minutes, 5 take 15. 5 will change how you run your entire business. Let's start with the easiest wins. Tier 1, 5-minute builds. These are copy paste and go. Number 1, the subscription audit. Open Claude. Paste your last 3 months of credit card or bank statements. Ask Claude to find every recurring charge, flag duplicates, spot unused subscriptions, and calculate how much you'd save switching from monthly to annual. I ran this on my own accounts. Claude found $2,400 in duplicates and unused seats I'd been paying for 11 months. 5 minutes. No spreadsheet. No accountant. Number 2. The social media repurposer. Take one piece of content, a blog post, a newsletter, a podcast transcript. Paste it into Claude. Ask for 10 tweets, 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 Instagram captions, and 1 email teaser, all matched to your voice and tone. You just turned one piece of content into 19 posts. That's a full week of social media from a single paste. Number 3. Meeting notes to action items. After any Zoom or Teams call, grab the transcript. Paste it into Claude. Ask for a 1-paragraph summary, every decision that was made, every action item with the owner's name attached, and a follow-up email draft you can send in 60 seconds. 30 minutes saved per meeting, every meeting. Number 4. The email template generator. Paste your last 20 sent emails into Claude. Ask it to identify the 5 most common patterns and write reusable templates for each one. You'll get your onboarding email, your follow-up, your proposal cover, your meeting request, and your check-in, all written in your actual voice, not a generic template. 3 hours back every week. Number 5. The customer FAQ generator. Paste your product or service page plus your last 30 support tickets or customer DMs. Doommuffs. Claude analyzes the patterns, groups them into categories, and writes a complete FAQ page with clear, helpful answers. 4 hours of work done in 5 minutes. That's tier 1. 5 automations, 5 minutes each. Now let's level up. Tier 2, 15-minute builds. These replace real business systems. Number 6, the competitor intelligence report. Give Claude the names and descriptions of your top 3 to 5 competitors. What they charge, what they promise. Ask for a pricing comparison, a feature gap analysis, positioning opportunities, and 3 differentiators you're not talking about yet. This is the report a strategy consultant charges $2,000 for. 15 minutes. Number 7. The 30-day content calendar. Tell Claude your business, your target audience, and the 3 platforms you post on. Ask for 30 days of content ideas with the hook, the format, the platform, and the best posting time. You'll get a calendar you can screenshot and start executing Monday morning. The algorithm rewards consistency. Claude gives you the plan to be consistent. Number 8. The proposal writer. Give Claude your service or product details and a 1-paragraph client brief. Ask for a full proposal, executive summary, scope of work, timeline, pricing table, terms, and a wires section. I've seen solopreneurs close five-figure deals with proposals Claude wrote in 12 minutes. The proposal used to be the bottleneck. Now, it's the fastest part of your sales process. Number 9, the SOP Generator. Describe any process you do repeatedly: onboarding a client, publishing a blog post, closing the books at month end. Just walk through the steps. Claude turns it into a formatted, standard operating procedure with numbered steps, checklists, decision points, and training notes. You just made yourself replaceable in that task. And that is exactly how you scale. Number 10, the lead qualifier. Paste a list of your leads, company name, what they do, and any context you have. Ask Claude to score each one on how well they match your ideal customer profile, flag the top 5, and write a personalized opening line for each. 5 hours of sales research in 15 minutes. That's tier 2 done. Now for the automations that change everything. Tier 3, 30-minute builds. These replace entire workflows. Number 11, the client onboarding system. Tell Claude about your business and what a new client needs in their first week. Ask for a welcome email sequence, an intake questionnaire, a project kickoff agenda, a resource guide, and a week 1 check in template. You just built a system most agencies spend $10,000 designing. Every new client gets the white glove experience. Nobody falls through the cracks. Number 12, the sales playbook. Give Claude your product, your ideal customer profile, and your top 5 objections. Ask for discovery questions, objection handlers with exact word for word scripts, email templates for every deal stage, a follow up sequence, and a qualification framework. This is the playbook sales managers spend 6 months building. You'll have it in 30 minutes. Hand it to anyone on your team and they can sell. Number 13, the financial forecast. Paste 12 months of your revenue and expenses. Ask Claude for 3 scenario projections: conservative, moderate, and aggressive, with monthly cash flow, break even analysis, and the key assumptions behind each number. This is what a fractional CFO delivers for $1,500 a quarter. Claude does it from the same data in 30 minutes. Number 14, full website copy. Give Claude your business, your audience, and your value proposition in a few sentences. Ask for complete website copy. Homepage with hero section and 3 feature blocks. About page, services page. FAQ, a testimonials template, and SEO meta descriptions for every single page. 15 hours of professional copywriting. 30 minutes with Claude. You could launch the site this weekend. Number 15, the weekly business dashboard. Every Monday morning, paste your numbers: sales, website traffic, support tickets, ad spend, expenses. Ask Claude to generate a report with your top KPIs, week over week trends, anomaly alerts, and 3 specific recommendations. You just replaced a $200 a month analytics subscription. And this one's customized to your business, not someone else's template. 15 automations, 0 code, 1 weekend. The 5-minute ones save you hours every single week. The 15-minute ones replace systems that cost thousands. The 30-minute ones replace entire job descriptions. And most people are still using Claude to rewrite paragraphs. Comment weekend below and I'll send you the complete playbook PDF. Every automation, the exact Claude prompt to copy and paste, and a weekend build schedule so you know exactly what to build and when. Bite size AI drops on Instagram, deep dives here on YouTube. Subscribe. The next one is already in production.